Gold precisely again traded in the range since the analysis I shared earlier in the day, while Dow Jones and Nasdaq trying to bounce back, trying to rise a little as per the levels I shared in the morning. I hope you are in profit till now. Now what is going to happen? Now what is going to happen with the US cash session? Let's have a look. First we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end we'll see Dow Jones. See gold, if you look at the early charts, it is trying to rise. It is taken a support at 1755, which is a good support, and for the day you should watch out for 1770 levels. 1770 levels is definitely a stronger support. If it trades above 1771, yes, you can go long for 1780 and plus levels. And on the 2-hour chart, see after a minor retracement, see a rise and a retracement, higher lows, and it is trying to rise from here. Yes, if you see it trading below 1760, go short again, and till the time it trades, see it has also formed a double top, and hence if you see it rising above 1770, go long, and then you can expect 1780 directly, and beyond that it will fly. At the same time, below 1760, go short for 1755, 1750 and 1745 levels. See, even if it tries to drop, it will be trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence it might get a pullback on the upside. Look at the 4-hour charts, it is giving you lower highs. Also, it is trying to give you, see the previous candle you should watch out for. So lower highs, and then yes, if it breaks below 1760, then we can expect it to come back to 1755 also. Do not long anything till it is below 1771. Very clear. And on the daily charts, you can look at it. See, if it drops below 1760, you can go short for 1755, and below that it is going to give you a very strong drop till towards 1745. In fact, it can try to hit 1740, else till the time it trades above this, and if it breaks past 1771, yes, you can expect it to hit 1780 levels, and in fact it can try to achieve higher highs till towards 1784-85 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 on the early charts, higher lows, higher highs, precisely trying to trade in this channel. In fact, this time it failed to achieve the highs, but that R has just started. So yes, US 100, you can see higher lows, and the candle has just started. There is a flat top out there. If you see it trading beyond 12980, definitely you can stay long again, and you can expect it to fly high. Then this time it might try to hit 13050, 13070 and 13100 levels. See, overbought is something indicator. Some of the indicators are indicating it as overbought, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can see higher highs, higher lows, support there at 12900. So be watchful. Any short entry, now see previously I told in morning you can go long at 12900. Now I am saying now you have to go short at 12900. Only short entries below 12900. You can expect it to drop till towards, see 12880 is a very strong support, and below 12880 you can expect it to hit 12850, 12800, and below that it might crash. Also it has formed a double top, and hence if you see it trading beyond 12980, you can go long at 12980. Then see this level at 13050. This is a very strong resistance, and beyond that it will hit 13100 also. Now look at the 3-hour charts. After this much of consolidation, it is trying to rise, and this time it may try to hit 13030, 13050 levels. On the downside, be watchful of 12900 till the time it trades about 12900. Stay long, and below 12900 you can expect 12880 and 12850 as a stronger support. Below that it is going to crash on the downside. On the daily charts, look at this. It may try to give you a lower highs, and hence achieving the highs at 13050, it can reverse. So be watchful. Only short entry is below 12900. Below 12900 you can go short for 12880, 12850 levels, and below that it may drop heavily on the downside till towards 12750 and 12700. Below that it is going to crash for further and farther, and be watchful of that. On the upside, be watchful of 13050, 13080 and 13100 level. Do not short anything till the time it is below above 12900, and above 12980 you can go long definitely. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See US 30 getting a resistance here precisely at this zone 32570 levels, and if you see it trading above 32570, go short, but there is a resistance at 32600, and on the upside it may give you a stronger rise. But see, this is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and hence it may get a pullback on the downside. Be watchful. Do not long anything till it is below 32600, rather I will say, or rather you can put 32570 itself is a good level to go long. See, on the 2-hour charts you can find out. See, it is trying to rise, and yes, if you see it trading below 32500, or rather I will say 32480, you can go short at 32480, and then we can expect a stronger drop, rise beyond 32570, and then you can expect 32600, 650, 700, and beyond that it is going to fly on the upside. Look at the 3-hour chart. Similarly, see it is taking a support, higher lows, trying to rise. Probably it may give you a stronger green candle, which may try to take it till towards 32,700, 750 levels. So be watchful. Do not short anything till the time it is above 32,470 levels, with the stop loss at 32,470. See, it is signaling a reversal, and hence we may see a rise. The body size is increasing, hence we can expect a stronger body size, taking it towards 32,700, 750 levels. With the stop loss at 32,470, you can stay long. Only short entries below 32,470. If you see it trading below 32,470, go short for 32,400, 32,250, and then below that we may see a stronger crash. So be watchful of that. 32,200 is a very strong support. So go short at 32,470, go long until the time it is above 32,470. You can stay long, and yes, 32,570 is a very good level to go long. Go long at 32,570, 580 levels, and above that we can see it rising for 32,700, 32,750 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Possibility exists that it may try to hit 32,570, 32,700, 750 levels. And yes, it can drop also. It can give you a good swings. If it drops below 32,470, go short, and you can expect 32,350, 300 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.